Hi friends, I am Sunil Ji Garg, an IT industry veteran. Most modern day computer programmers come across the need to handle open data formats like XML and JSON. While there is enough information available to handle XML data types, the format JSON, which is expanded as JavaScript object notation, still remains a gray area for many programmers. Once you open a JSON data file, in first view, it looks little confusing. But once you start following it, it is actually quite simple yet fully powerful. It even supports arrays, which is unthinkable in XML. In this course, I shall try to remove all your confusion and will give you some solid examples to handle it in your own programming language like JavaScript, PHP, Java, C# in ASP.NET, Java in Android environment, etc. So friends, join this class and be identified in your community as a concept boss.